Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize home workouts with Bowflex, detailed guide step by step clearly. To optimize your home workouts with Bowflex, start by setting clear fitness goals. Identify what you want to achieve, whether it's strength building, weight loss, or increased endurance. Choose the right Bowflex equipment suited for your goals, such as the Bowflex Select Tech dumbbells or Bowflex home gym systems. Familiarize yourself with your equipment by reading the user manual or watching introductory videos. Create a designated workout space that is comfortable and free from distractions. Ensure your workout area is well lit and has sufficient ventilation. Establish a consistent workout schedule to build routine and discipline. Start each session with a proper warm-up to prepare your body and prevent injuries. Incorporate a variety of exercises to target different muscle groups and keep your routine engaging. Utilize the adjustable weights of Bowflex equipment to progressively overload your muscles. Track your progress by recording your workouts and noting improvements over time. Make use of Bowflex workout programs and app for guided routines and additional motivation. Stay hydrated throughout your workout to maintain energy levels. Incorporate rest days into your schedule to allow your muscles to recover effectively. Pay attention to your form to avoid injuries and maximize the effectiveness of each exercise. Consider mixing in cardio exercises to enhance fat burning and overall fitness. Utilize resistance bands and other attachments to add versatility to your workouts. Experiment with different workout styles, such as circuit training or high-intensity interval training. Stay flexible with your routine by adjusting exercises as you progress or as your interests change. If you're uncertain about certain exercises, consider consulting with a fitness professional for guidance. Lastly, celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, to stay motivated on your fitness journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.